away we go. Want to support the Dream Boat project? Hit that subscribe button so we can reach 1,000 subscribers. Well, Dream Boat bogged down and cut out going up this grade. I was going about 40 miles an hour and I needed a little bit more speed, and then he just started cutting out. So let's see if I can get him started again. He's not wanting to start. I'm back started. I wish people would move over. All right, let's see how this goes.
So we are just into Pennsylvania on our trip north. It's not going that well today. We've had a lot of trouble with Dream Boat, particularly on hills, just bogging. At a certain point, just won't run at all. Try to do some carburetor adjustments. It's just not working. On the advice of a couple helpful farmers, we're actually on a farm property. A guy was nice enough to let us park in his yard. I'm losing the light, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this carburetor on, replace the Holly that's on there, and I'm hoping that helps it run a little better, because today was a bit rough. We didn't make it very far, and it was hard to do that. I'm not gonna have any trouble getting a nut on this upward facing stud. It's very tight, but it'll turn. This one is close enough that it doesn't want to turn. The fronts are going to be okay. So what I've got to do is figure out how to get this one on first. Then I should be able to get the other ones on after.
This is my new Edelbrock carburetor, and my fuel filters, they look good. A little empty. Actually, very empty. That's not great. So yesterday, Dream Boat kept bogging and we kept getting stuck, and I pulled to the side when he would bog and die, and we're on this road where people, the speed limit's like 40, 45, but people want to go 60, 65, and it was pretty harrowing, and people were cussing me out and laying on the horn and screaming at me, and I felt it was a pretty terrible feeling. And we broke down in front of this wonderful farmer's house and farmyard, and he was like, why don't you come off the road and come in and we'll help you get sorted out. So today Andrew is buying all of the pieces that we need to completely replace our fuel system, which we had planned to do, and just not today. We had planned to do it in the summer. Thank goodness that this farm property was here and they took us in, and everybody on the farm and a couple of local farmers actually have been really interested in the project, and also incredibly kind and helpful. So I'm just so grateful to the people who are out there, who are patient and generous.